Hello guys.
આમાં તો નથી આવતું.
Okay, so I would want to call the team of Illusioner here, please. Everybody present from the team of Illusioner, including the calendar celebrities, please come here.
અરે અહીંયા આવશે પાછળ જવું પડશે.
હા વાંધો નહીં.
પાછળ ચાલ.
Rishabh, Vish.
આ રિક્ષાવાળો બને ને.
Launch of Illusioner 2021 and the launch of Dhamaka Club in Bandra. I would like to thank Salman and Aniket for collaborating with us for our Illusioner launch. And now we would want to unveil the calendar. And before that, I would want Amit to say a few words.
Well, I would just like to thank everyone to be a part of this calendar, which is an all-meal calendar, and it has been a very challenging year, 2020 for all of us. But let's look at 2021 as a new beginning for everything that 2020 taught us, and let's be positive about it. And I would like to thank Runa. I would like to thank Creating Young. I would like to thank the entire styling, hair, makeup team, the BTS. All the people who worked, on this calendar, and so that we can unveil it today. So thank you so much. I would like to thank Parul. I would like to thank Harshita. I would like to thank Jack Printers so much. Thank you everyone. And I would just like to dedicate this calendar to the most important man in my life. That's my father. And I'm glad that today we could have launched. Thank you.
So before we launch, officially I would like to thank few of my sponsors. Zycom, safety comes first, thank you so much. Farmside, thank you so much for being a part of this calendar. Jack Printers, thank you so much, they've printed an amazing calendar for us. Creating Young for being a part of our team. Picture and Cuff, as always, Parul Jara, love you. And have I missed anyone? Digital Beach for Abhay Singh for being a part of us, Vinay Poddar for the BTS, and the entire team, Rishabh, Smart Eye for being there, Mulk for my partner, and Dapper and there, Vishal Thawani for being the designer for the calendar, and all our makeup artists, starting from Rishabh Khanna, Sahil Anand Arora, Priya Bhatia, Karan. That's it. For styling, Victor Robinson and Sohil Mudgal. Mughal. I always make a mistake in getting his surname. Yeah. Durgesh for the model management. And if I missed anyone else, please. So this is your calendar, Amit. So yeah, thank you so much, Amit, because we both have faced a lot during this year, and we have still managed to come up with this calendar. So now we start with the unveiling of the calendar. Okay, guys, please at least stay with us for the unveiling.
शॉट लेना वाइड है ना तेरे पास मिल गया ना वाइड
જબરદસ્ત ભાઈ જબરદસ્ત મળે कौन अरे पीछे लेना यार दोस्त यार
वाह होटल होनी
walking away now.
Karan wants to shoot. He wants to come now.
Hi Karan.
He was a makeup artist.
अच्छा करण आप ही तो हो यार, आप बड़े अच्छे लग रहे हो. Sorry.
अच्छा ये जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज है ना, ये तो काट लो दूसरों को.
वो चिपक जाता है ना आपको, पीछे हाथ चिपक जाता है.
नीचे रखो कमर में.
पीछे हाथ चिपक जाएगा. कुछ होगा? कुछ होगा? I don't think it's कुछ होगा. Why is it? It's just light on. Now it's happening. See? Sadly.
Shift this side.
Karan, आप बड़े अच्छे हैं. आप शायद
because like people say globally, or it is understood that okay, only woman is the one who shows a lot of emotion, but there are emotion with men also, which I think depicting in the calendar, though I have not seen the calendar, I'm just waiting for it to come, but I'm sure the faces which she's taken are from very different kind of fields, and they are actors, they are LGBT people, and I think that's the best thing, like which she has taken initiative or of keep taking a different people from different fields and making her calendar so successful. And she's a very hardworking, because I know when she did one calendar, I was a teaser cover, and she did a very, very great job. And I wish you all the best, Luna. Keep on doing good things, because there are very less people. Like everybody says, okay, woman plays a very important role. Woman is a glam quotient to the society. Woman, everything. But Runa is the only woman who's taken an initiative of launching a men's calendar, which is a very, very good thing. And because I think men also are very glamorous. Men also need that kind of attention what women needs. And I think so. I wish her all the best, and I'm sure next calendar will be better than this one. I think so. The kind of platform we all are in, the kind of color palette we all are using, men are becoming very experimental these days. Though, they are changing, the mindset is changing. They are more experimental. They are more ready to take any challenges. Before, they were very old school. Therefore, they used to have only one silhouette. But now, they are ready to go out there and try new experiments. Like designers like me and other designers, I'm not naming them, have come up with a very different kind of collection. They are so. I don't think so now. Things are the way we are, heading towards, and I think they all are changing their mindset. They are ready to explore. They're ready to experiment. They're ready to try different cuts and different silhouette, and they are becoming very fashionable. But yes, except a few men, which is little old school. But most of the men, like Ranveer Singh, is a very good example. Like he has set a benchmark where what fashion is all about. From the bold avatar, he never cared for how the people can troll him. But his trolling gives him strength to try something very different. So I think so. These are the beautiful examples which we said globally that men are becoming very experimental these days. Thank you so much for talking to me. Have a good night.
This is the calendar.
Oh, lovely. Okay, that's Terence. Very nice. Oh, that's cute.
This is Ruslan and his 8-month-old baby.
Oh, that's very cute. Okay,
He's
I don't-
Vishal Pandey.
Yes, the TikTok guy.
Yes.
I know him. Yeah,
Vikas.
very nice.
So these are from different fields. Tapan is a very good actor. He's here only. He is a pilot and he's a creative head for a agency.
Very nice.
He is the head of Zycom Security Services.
Okay, that's nice.
Sushant.
Sushant's looking very different. That's very unlike Sushant. But he's looking very different. Yes. Who shot the calendar?
Amit Khanna.
Oh,
He's Anil Charanjit. He's from Hasi to Fasi.
all right. I wish this calendar will do very well. I wish you all the best. And I've seen the faces. I think she's done very good job.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Rohit.
you. Thank you.
Tapan. Tapan, Victor,
Didi, I wish you know the question.
Sohail, Mughal. Mudgil था फिर मुदगल हो गया. Nikita.
You're with us, right?
Rishabh, come. Vishal.
Which camera, guys? Can I shift
अभी
little
आपका
here
भाई.
this side?
Please wait.
Just shift little this
Yeah.
side. Runa, just shift little here.
उधर ना एक्चुअली वो है इसीलिए वो इधर शिफ्ट करा रहे हैं.
Okay.
Shift that side.
चलो जाओ तपन है ना
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, where is? You'll be asking. He'll give his bite alone. Okay? So 1, 2, 3 bites. Okay. Tapan is in the calendar. Okay. They are the stylists in the calendar. Victor and Sohail.
First you are giving the bite.
Start now, whatever.
Okay.
So you're featuring in the calendar. आपका कौन सा month है? Feature करना कैसा रहा? Please.
Sorry, right now I don't remember the month, but it was really nice working with the whole team, especially Amit, and it's a little different what I'm playing in the calendar, and yeah, something different.
आपने style किया है. इतनी amazing pictures आई है हमें देखे. Amazing styling. Congratulations to you guys.
Thank you.
कैसा रहा साथ में काम करना?
Amazing, yeah. Like, so Tapan is a very good friend, and his mood was artsy. So like we have done all the artwork on him, and of course Rishabh has done an amazing job. But yeah, like working throughout this calendar, it's an amazing experience.
And every actor has a different character and different emotions. So we have styled them differently, and it was like quite a game, and we all enjoyed a lot. And the team is fabulous, especially Amit and Runa.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys.
No, but I've got something very different. Like it's based on men, their emotions. They are portraying that. So how different was it like for you guys, styling such things to bring that out for both of you?
See, actually, styling for different emotions is like you have to think a lot of things. Means you have to. Then we discussed with Amit and Runa. We came to.
Yeah, so basically like portraying your thoughts, your moods in an image is it's a quite a job itself. but we tried our level best to portray every single mood of a man which we are facing in our daily life to portray in a calendar. It was an amazing thing, yeah, altogether.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
झालं
बस खरं ऑलमोस्ट
हो गया
फिनिश ओके चल ओव्हरऑल
Done?
हो गया
What is that?
Nikita, my phone is with you.
Okay, what is the question? What are the questions?
yeah sure
What are the questions?
I don't know they'll ask
So
Tie up.
आज Illusion 2021 after such a dreadful year of 2020 launch हो रहा है क्या कहना चाहेंगे इनको क्या विषय
I think Runa has been doing this mastering the art of launching calendars, and she has a vision with the men looking glamorous and stylish. And as I can see, Amit has done a fabulous job and beautiful pictures and some great shots with some great people. So Runa, all the best, and may the 2021 bring a lot of good luck to everyone.
It's a very different calendar. They are looking on men's emotions in men. It was very difficult, I'm very sure, on how hard I say because men are not that emotional and they don't show it out.
I think as an artist, it's always about the muse. And Reena has a muse with a beautiful, good-looking men around. So I'm sure it's reflecting on the calendar. And Runa, you've done a fab job.
thank you so much Shakir.
Thank
so
you.
I would just want to know one question from what is his one hidden emotion mood that you will want to share with us
Emotion, that's freedom right now. We want freedom from this COVID.
thank you so much
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
thank you Nikita, my phone is with you. who's it? किसके पास है मेरा फोन यार
Vishal, Victor, anyone has Runa's phone?
anyone has my phone call मेरे फोन में फोन करो
Whose phone is that?
no they are recording in that
Okay. Yeah, this is nice.
So because you're featuring in Illusion 2021, after this dreadful year, you're looking absolutely stunning. कैसा था feature करना? कैसा था feature करना?
I think बड़ा अच्छा था. मैंने अमित के साथ मेरे करियर की शुरुआत की है. So it's again, I'm here again after 9 years. I'm starting with Amit. I'm featured in the month of May, where I'm looking so good. So I'm glad to be a part of it.
This is a very different calendar. ऐसे men's की emotions बाहर
Yes.
आ रहा है. And what's your emotion and which month are you featuring?
See, I'm featuring in the month of May. The emotion is men are sensitive too. So I have a very manly look like I have right now. So I've given very straight forward look where men are sensitive too. So you can see in my eyes.
So Runa and Amit have done a splendid work in bringing
Yeah.
all this together. उनको क्या wishes देना चाहेंगे for Illusion?
I think good luck because you guys are doing a wonderful job. You have made such good pictures, such beautiful men around you, and I think you should do it more.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Done? Okay, कूली के ऊपर.
Aye.
Ready? Okay, so recently आपकी movie आई कूली #1. You were looking, your stunts, your actions were amazing.
Thank you.
उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
See, Coolie #1 बड़ा अच्छा experience रहा है. I think to be featured in a movie which came 25 years ago. एक remake आया, बड़ा अच्छा remake था, and I've been lucky to be a part of it. बड़ा अच्छा experience रहा है to part of a legendary movie, and I'm getting a lot of appreciation, which is nice.
How was it working with Varun and Sara?
It was good to work with Varun again and David sir again. I think Sara के साथ काम करके बड़ा अच्छा लगा. बहुत ही chirpy, bubbly actress है. I think I would love to work with Sara again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sorry to disturb
Thank you.
you.
No
Can
problem.
continue.
No problem.
ये यहाँ थे, किसका है?
with me.
So आज Illusion 2021 का लॉन्च है आफ्टर द ड्रेडफुल ईयर ऑफ 2020 अमेजिंग कैलेंडर है क्या कहना चाहिए
It's a wonderful calendar and a fresh breath of air because actually इतने lockdown के बाद and 2020 is over and it's 21 so we're really looking forward for it.
Yeah, actually, and as they say, साल की शुरुआत धमाकेदार होनी चाहिए तो आई
धमाकेदार हुई है
हमारा धमाका का आपका हम सब का साल बहुत धमाकेदार हो and I wish everyone is healthy, happy and rollicking, man. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Yes, actually. Thank you.
Exist.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Chalo.
Ready?
You want to get Runa and Amit in the frame?
Yeah, Runa ma'am is coming. She's just in a way. We'll start. She'll join.
Sure, go for it. Yeah.
So,
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All dapper and all that. Yes, please come. Hey, oh my God, gorgeous. So great. Gorgeous. Come. Lady in the center, yeah. Yeah.
So Terence is featuring in the calendar. इतना innovative calendar है with putting out the emotions out. क्या कहना चाहेंगे sir with both of them?
Well, I know Amit very well because we've shot something before for a magazine, and through that I came to know Runa. और ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट था मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि इस बार ध्यान मर्दों पे दिया जा रहा है. जनरली कैलेंडर पे औरतें, सेक्सी औरतें होती हैं, बहुत ही very good, great bodies and all the accomplishment. तो हाँ, तो फाइनली एक कैलेंडर है जहाँ पे हम मर्द भी फीचर हो सकते हैं. But on a serious note, I just like the idea and the concept about men who have achieved something in their lives, and I'm very honored to be a part of the group of people who are also been selected. हर एक ने बहुत अपने लाइफ में वो मकाम पाया है जो यूनिक है, जो अलग है, जिसका अनोखा अंदाज है, and I think we need to celebrate that. So yeah, it was a celebration, of life, and it gives inspiration to the other people also. So I'm very happy to partner up with Runa and do this calendar with Amit. He's a brilliant photographer, as we all know. So thanks for the opportunity. Yeah.
And Terence is on the cover of the calendar, and he's depicting the mood, his creativity.
Yes.
So Amit will tell. Have you seen the calendar?
I haven't.
I'm just show it to you. Yes. Amit,
I
please
haven't.
tell about the calendar. Shubham.
So basically, Terence is portraying the emotion of being creative yet manly. I think I don't need to say why is Terence depicting that particular emotion. He's fabulous. And I would just like to say that, even when we were shooting his shot, he had a little bit of a back problem. And he had to do all those stunts and jump and everything. and not for once did he make us feel that he's not comfortable. I think it's always been a pleasure interacting with Terence, to work with him. I think he's one of the he poses better than most of the models.
Absolutely.
He is stunning. I mean, he's got the perfect body, and he's just fabulous in front of the camera. It's always a pleasure clicking him. It's an
And I
absolute
really
pleasure.
wanted to mention one thing, that when Terence was there and we were like, makeup taiyar karo, and he was one person in the calendar who did not need one single touch up or a makeup on his face.
that's true.
He was completely, what porcelain skin he had, amazing glow.
Thank you. Actually, the idea was to get the job done fast. Makeup would have taken 45 minutes more. I said,
you
"ऐसे
didn't
ही काम
need it,
चला लो."
Terence.
Yeah, thank God for that. Push turny hai. But thank you. Wow, that's the calendar. Wow, that's a big one. Oh, amazing. That's me. Yes. Thank you, Amit. You make me look fabulous.
No,
Thank
you're
you
looking
for
great,
this.
and these are the poses that I was talking about. He actually did this with all the pain and everything that he was facing that day. I think he's fab. Just
Thank you. फिर बाद में मलम घसना पड़ा. It was it was painful, but it's all well that ends well. So thank you so much. Thank you, Amit, for making us
And
look so good.
Xenia, they are the ones behind the printing of the calendar.
Fabulous. I like the quality. I like the fact that it's not glossy and it's matte finish. Fantastic choices. Thank you. Looks great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Picture all three of you together.
Yes, come.
Yeah, with the calendar.
Just this way, थोड़ा सा अंदर shift हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
Let him hold the calendar as well. Hold the calendar. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes. Yeah.
Super.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That picture is complete.
Yeah, and just one more picture without the calendar also. Just
Okay,
Just
sure.
one picture without the camera.
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you.
Is that-
Done?